and welcome in or welcome back. It's a Monkey Mar. Before we get into today's video, please make sure you click the like, the subscribe, and the bell for notifications. Hey guys, welcome in. Let's get into the latest update of when the Miss Megan Boswell is in court again. The next court date of September 30th, 2021 set for Megan Boswell. This one completely ruined her whole entire life for what? All these unnecessary crimes against the little ones is absolutely absurd. Megan Boswell, the woman charged with murdering her daughter, baby Evelyn Boswell, appeared in court in Sullivan County by video Friday. The next court date for Boswell was set for September 30th, 2021 at 9 a.m. The grand jury indicted Megan Boswell on 19 total charges last year, including felony murder and child abuse. Boswell has pleaded not guilty. Sullivan County District Attorney Barry Stabus announced in January that the prosecution intends to seek a punishment of life in prison without parole. We know that she was not going for the DP because they said of her age and that she had no prior criminal record. So we've got Kristen Kwan coming out. Megan's attorney, Brad Sproles, said he and Megan have looked through mountains of evidence. He doesn't believe a trial would start until 2022. Get a move on, people. We need justice for this beautiful little girl right here. I also got my hands on her court documents with all of her charges. Let's go ahead and scroll through that a little bit. I am not going to read the entire thing, but I will attach the link to the PDF file below in the description. And I wonder how Megan's mom, Miss Angela's been doing and what she's been up to. But honestly, guys, I don't even care enough to look. Let's go have a look over at this PDF file with Megan Boswell's charges. Before we jump into this PDF file on Megan Boswell's charges, let's go ahead and listen to what Kaylin says about the reason why it has been pushed to September and why the trial might not start until 2022. I absolutely love her. I think that she is so pretty. So let's hear what she has to say.
Hello everyone, this is Kaylin Cluck. I'm coming to you live outside of the Sullivan County Courthouse. Megan Boswell appeared in court over in a virtual hearing at about 9 a.m. this morning, and due to technical difficulties on the side of the courtroom, there was some issues streaming that initially. Members of the press are still not allowed inside the courtroom due to COVID restrictions. So Megan once again appeared virtually, and her court date was reset to September 30th. Now, why was that? Well, we're told that there's two pieces of forensic evidence that the defense and prosecution are still waiting to get back from a TBI lab. They couldn't give us any details on what those two pieces of evidence were specifically, but that is what they're waiting on, and that can take a while. So previously, they've said that they have had so much evidence to go through, basically a hard drive with a terabyte of evidence related to this case, and they've gotten through that now. But now they say it's these two lab results that they're waiting to get back from the TBI, and that will hopefully be back in September. They expect it to be back in September, but that is what I guess is holding up this case once again. So Megan will be back September 30th.
Let's go over the charges against good old Megan. I am not going to read all of them. I am just going to actually read what the charge is. Charge: felony murder, count 1. Felony murder, count 2. Aggravated child A, count 3. Aggravated child neglect, count 4. Tampering with evidence, count 5. False report, count 6. False report, count 7. False report, count 8. False report, count 9. False report, count 10. False report, count 11. False report, count 12. Do I sound like a parrot now? False report, count 13. False report, count 14. And you guys, like I said, can go ahead and click the link in the description and read through all of the counts if you want to. Count 15, a false report. Count 16, false report. Count 17, false report. Count 18, false... Count 18, abuse of corpse. Count 19, failure to report a death under suspicious, unusual, or unnatural circumstances. And now we do know that there is a new law in Tennessee, the Evelyn Boswell law, which you have 24 hours to report a death under suspicious, unusual, or unnatural circumstances. And like I said, this needs to be a law across all 50 states, just like the Breasia-Terrell law needs to be across 50 states. I am working on my Facebook page, guys. I am going to have it running by the end of this week so that we can get on top of things and seeing if we can get some petitions going and get these laws around all 50 states. And that is what Megan Boswell is charged with. I don't think this girl has a chance of escaping all of these charges. Young, waste of life, because now she'll sit in jail for the rest of her life over what? Trying to have a relationship with a boy, and thought that maybe little Megan Boswell was going to interfere with that. Unacceptable, Megan Boswell, and you definitely are going to get everything you deserve, because now it is all about a justice for baby Evelyn. And I think that is all we have on this update. If they do stream it live, I am definitely going to go live and stream this little court hearing. I think maybe this will be the court hearing that is going to determine when Megan Boswell's preliminary hearing is coming up. Alright guys, drop them comments, drop them opinions. And with that, it is a wrap. I want to thank you all for coming in. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike, whichever you prefer, and subscribe. Everyone have a good day or a good night wherever you are in the world, and stay vigilant. I am out.